A lot of people are interested in yoga and different types of yoga. So they have many questions and doubts about different types of yoga. In this video, I will answer some of the frequently asked questions about different types of yoga. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you will find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. So the first question is, which type of yoga is best for beginners? If you are a beginner, then you should start your yoga journey by choosing between Hatha Yoga, Sivananda Yoga, Yin Yoga, Iyengar Yoga, Vini Yoga or Kundalini Yoga as per your requirements. What type of yoga is restorative? Restorative yoga and Yin Yoga are completely restorative practices. But you can try Iyengar Yoga and Hatha Yoga with yoga props for a restorative experience. What type of yoga is best for weight loss? If you are aiming for weight loss, then you must choose vigorous yoga styles like Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga, Power Yoga, Bikram Yoga or Hot Yoga. What type of yoga is best for flexibility? Although all styles of yoga will make you flexible, but if you want to achieve good flexibility, then you should try Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga and Hot Yoga. Which type of yoga is right for me? This completely depends on your goal, that is weight loss, flexibility, stress release, yoga therapy for an injury, intense workout or spirituality. If you are a beginner, then you can try or choose between Sivananda Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Yin Yoga or Vini Yoga. What type of yoga is safe during pregnancy? Prenatal yoga is the best and the safest choice for a pregnant woman. You can also try Hatha Yoga and restorative yoga in pregnancy. We recommend you to discuss your health conditions with your doctor or your yoga teacher before starting any yoga practice. Simply avoid vigorous yoga styles like Ashtanga Vinyasa, Vinyasa Yoga or Hot Yoga. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to your life. If you think so, please press the like button and comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal.